Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I created this simple page. This assignment is for my school. It's a ebook page which has several stories, and each story has different functions. So now let's start with the coding in Visual Studio Code. So let's stop that. Okay. At the beginning of this code, you can see a link which connects the index HTML with the style CSS that can show the styles on the page. Here is the link, rel equals style sheet that connects this file to the style sheet. Below that, you can see the background, the font uh, size here, the title. The color, I made it pink. You can change it to any color. The background has an image, and this background color it's not needed, I think, because we already have a background image. So I have to delete that. Let's bring that here. Sorry. Okay, it's better. Okay. As we said, the font size. This is for the title, Stories of Strength. Here we can see, starting with the first story, which is Home to Hope, which talks about Gaza here, and the division style is margin bottom 20px. Here we have the first function, which is when you click on the title, it downloads the story into our computer. So here is the unclick download story function. Um, Here is the content of the story. Below that, you can see another function which has a button on click. It's a button where uh, you click it and the summary of each story shows up on the page. And here is the style as well. You can see here is the short summary, and also the third function I created for this page is the audio ID story, which changes this text, the content of the story, into speech, and also saves it on the computer. As well as the second story, you can see New Dawn in Aleppo, which is in Syria. Same functions, the same three function, which is the download story on the computer and has the font size and the color. And here is the title. This is the style of, here is the style of the title, and here is when you click on the title, it downloads the summary, the story, sorry. And here we have the content. We don't want to show this content, so we put here display none, because we only want to show the summary. So as this first story, we have the button on click, which shows a summary of the story. As well, the third function is the audio. Same way and same function, and it's also saved on our computer. As well as the third story, similar as the first and the second, um, about Sudan. Whispers of Change, title of this story. Here also we have the download function when we click on the title, and we have the summary button which shows the summary and also the audio. So similar to the story 4 and 5 and 6. 4 is about China. So my story is about the title is Stories of Strength, which talks about what's happening in the world in several countries. Um, War and peace, hopefully, at the end. And here is the button summary and the audio. Here we have for Japan, we have the content and we have the functions below that, and the sixth story is Norway. Okay, here we're going to look at the JavaScript function, which has the function for the summary, the toggle text, and the download story on the computer. So when we look at the two function, we're using JavaScript for that. with the help of Outsource, uh, it was able to complete this. And we have the styles as well. You can see for every function, well, not every function, for every part, every feature of my page. Here we have the background, the header, and the H1. Here actually I just put image on the H1. Um, so yeah. Here I don't think we need the header because the header is the same as H1, I think. Yeah, because the H1 has the image in it. Yeah, so I can delete that part. And here we have here's the story. A hover is when you click on the story, it downloads it. And here's the button style and the audio style. And let's go run this code and see what it gives us. We could choose either two of these. I'm in the Chrome. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to put this and run it. So here we go with our page. We have the title. This is what I was talking about, the H1 and the header. So this is the H1 because it has the image I entered in my coding. So let's talk about the first story, which is Home to Hope. So let's click on the title. You can see it download here. I have so many downloads, I have to delete those. Here we go. The first story, From Home to Hope. So that's our first function. Second function is the summary, where we have our short summary of Gaza. That's our second function, and our third function is
From Home to Hope. The sun rose over Gaza, casting its golden rays on the shattered
it's
remains of.
going to read all the content we have in our coding. Also, the second story is similar, downloading, and we can see it downloaded here. Here we go, and it also here, you can see that. That's for their story audio, and also here you can see um, the summary, and you can stop it actually here, mute it, and download more options. I have to fix that too, or add some functions to that. So the third, similar, downloading and summary and voice.
Whispers of change. Whispers of change.
And we can stop that. And here also downloaded summary, and this is the same, and this is the same.
Echoes of the Sakura.
So that's all, everything for my page, as well the background and different colors. So yes, I hope that's everything. Just one thing I want to mention, I'm not sure I did mention, is for the library I used, which is the PyTTX3, is for the audio function. So yes, thank you.